Welcome to this Literacy Shared Adobe Express challenge. In this tutorial, we're going to design and label our very own dragon using artificial intelligence for the film Dragon Slayer. If you need free Adobe Express for Education accounts for your school, visit the link on screen. And there you'll also find all the other free things we do for schools like live lessons, teacher training and lesson packs. Let's get on with the challenge.
So let's create our very own dragon using artificial intelligence and text to image. If you want, you can start off here and put your prompt straight in, but I want to press the plus here and make sure mine's going to come out as a square. That's the shape of the graphic I want. I'm going to rename my project here, Dragon AI Text to Image. And then I'm going to go to Media on the left-hand side, Text to Image, choose a square so it's going to match my canvas as well. And then in this box here, I'm going to put in my prompt. Now let's have a look at my prompt. Full body image, that's really important to make sure that you get all the bits of your dragon top to tail as you want it. Silver metallic scales you've got here. Bright red eyes. You want to be as specific as you possibly can with your prompt. Now it won't get everything right, but we can definitely try. So in terms of content type, I'm going to go for art, and then I'm going to click generate. Very cool. Okay, I mean, I'm going to have a look at the other ones as well. But actually, in terms of full body image, I think that's the one I want. So I'm going to stretch this out so it clicks to the corners of my canvas. Very cool. And once you've done that, like I say, it won't get everything right. It was meant to be a red tongue hanging out of his mouth, heart-shaped wings. They're not too bad, I suppose.
Hey, I hope you're having fun so far. Teachers, if you'd like a PDF mapping this activity to the NCCE Teach Computing curriculum, follow the link that's on screen now. Okay, back to the challenge.
Once you've done that and you've chosen which one you want, or maybe you've refined your prompt and tried again, now what you can do is you can label your dragon. So I'm just going to add my text. I'll put my AI dragon. I'm going to make this a shape for it to sit in, maybe something like that. In terms of the text, I might go to my recommended text. I kind of like that one, really. That's pretty cool. But I think I'm going to change the color of the shape itself. Go back into shape, change this. I might use the dropper tool and pick out a red. If I can find the eye, there we go. Nice. And then in terms of the text fill, I go to that one. And actually, maybe what I'll do with the text also is I'll go to text layouts here and click dynamic. That's better. I think that looks a little bit classier. So you can put that in the middle, maybe where there's less going on, which is pretty cool. And then I'm going to add some text, and here's where you can start labeling things. So you can go to your text to image, large, bright red eyes. These prompts, you can just paste in your text and then maybe go back down to shape again, give it a shape. Maybe it doesn't have to be the same color as your main box. Maybe you want to differentiate it very slightly. If you do, click in the slider here, change things like the text fill, maybe go to white. But once you've got white text in there, your shape fill really wants to be darker. Maybe I'll go for a green, because that is often, maybe like a dark green, because that's often a color which you'll see on dragons. So I'll pop that in there, and I can just pop this next to wherever I want to describe something. And then if I want to, I can duplicate it. Maybe what I'll do here is I'll take silver metallic scales. I can copy that text there, and then I can just go and paste it in there. Now for things like the wings that it didn't get right, I wanted heart-shaped wings. Now they're not bad, but what I might do is just copy one of my boxes, duplicate it, and I've got my text here, large heart-shaped wings, but they're not really heart-shaped, so maybe I'll change my text in here, sharp wings, something like that. Once you're happy with all your labels, click download here, save it to your computer, and then you can go to share, invite people to collaborate on your project with you, send it to Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, or create a view-only link, which you can copy and send to whoever you like. And that's how you create an AI text-to-image of a dragon using Adobe Express.